Skill versus luck. Two factors you will find in every game. In pinball, the amount of luck versus the amount of skill varies per design. Modern games tend to be more skill-oriented than many oldies. In this Hot Rods from 1949, the outcome is mostly based on luck. However, it does an amazing job of giving the player the idea of being in control. First, the player selects the number of the hole he thinks a ball will fall in first. At the same time, the machine determines on the back glass how many credits the player will receive if he guessed the correct number. The more coins the player puts in, the more numbers he can select. Now, the player plunges the 5 balls into the game, all at once. If the first ball falls into a number he selected, the machine awards the amount of credits earned. And if it doesn't, well, maybe try again?